it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking to protect the upholstery of your car, I recommend this car seat cover set by HKZ. This is for our Corolla Hybrid LE 2024 model. However, you can use it for your 2023 model as well. I love that it is custom fit. I also love that once it's in place, it's snug. I don't have to readjust it at all. It does take a little effort to install, but with the instructions, it's easy to understand and it's worth the effort. All of the upholstery is covered and protected, has a tool to make it easier. I also love that I have access to all the special features like my airbag, seat belt, and the heated seat. I like that I can open it up to the trunk still. I'm able to utilize the other detail like the baby car seat. It hooks on to that as well. I like that the details of this was meant to be long lasting, so I feel really good about the quality of this product, and it really protects against the wear and tear. I also like that you can open the middle console in the back for the drinks, and you can zip that up and close it if you need that third seat. I love how breathable and comfortable the material is and how it feels sitting on it. It's waterproof, so it's easy to clean, and it's very pretty. It looks new. I also love that the pocket in the back is an added detail that was not in the original seat. The buckle closes very easily, and it's just so nice and gives me a lot of reassurance when I have these seats covered and protected, so I'm not stressed out about it getting worn out too quickly. I love everything about these seat covers, and you'll be doing yourself a favor if you get some too.
We love it, but that's just our point of view.